Imagine getting paid to do something you already love. No boss, no stress, just you, your phone, and books. Sounds fake, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a real website that actually pays you to read books online, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to Wealth Pulse TV. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so we can always meet each here on YouTube. Hit the like button and also share this video with others. Write in the comment section book money, and I will share with you more websites to get paid reading books online. All right, let's go. Most people scrolling right now want to make money online, but every time you search, you see things like invest $100, start drop shipping, learn coding. But what if you don't want all that? What if you just wanted something simple, low stress, and real? That's where this comes in. There are actually websites out there that will pay you to read books and write short reviews. And no, this is not one of those scammy get rich quick sites. This is a real platform used by authors who need feedback. The website is called onlinebookclub.org. Here's how it works. Authors upload their books. Readers like you pick a book, you read it, then write a review and you get paid. Now, you're probably wondering, how much can you earn? Here's the truth. You won't become a millionaire, but you can earn $5 to $60 per review. And if you're consistent, that can turn into extra income every single week. Let me break it down step by step. Step 1, go to the website, link in description. Step 2, create a free account. Step 3, pick your first book. Step 4, read and follow the review guidelines. Step 5, submit your review. Boom, you're in. If you want to actually make money here, do this. Don't rush your reviews. Be honest, not fake positivity. Follow their structure, because if your reviews are good, you'll get more opportunities. Let me keep it 100% real with you. This is not a full-time income. It's a side hustle. But here's the advantage. No investment, no skills required. Can be done from anywhere, even from your phone. Pro tip, level up. Here's how smart people take this to the next level. They don't stop here. They use this to build writing skills, start a blog, create a YouTube channel reviewing books, and that's where the real money starts coming in. Quick warning. There are many fake websites out there claiming get paid $200 per book. Most of them are scams. Real platforms like this one don't promise crazy money. They pay small but legit amounts. If you love reading, this is honestly one of the easiest ways to start making money online. Check the link in the description, sign up. Try your first review. And if you want more legit ways to make money online like this, make sure you subscribe. Let me walk you through exactly what to do. Step 1, go to the website, link in description. Step 2, create your free account. Step 3, read their guidelines carefully. And step 4, choose your first book. Step 5, take notes while reading. Step 6, write a structured review and submit. How to write a good review. If you want to get approved and start earning faster, your review should include a short summary, no spoilers, what you liked, what you didn't like. Your honest rating. Don't try to sound like a professor. Just write like a normal human. Here's a trick most beginners don't know. Pick shorter books first. Why? Because you finish faster, you submit more reviews, you start earning quicker. Speed matters in the beginning. And here's where things get interesting. Smart people don't stop here. They use this as a stepping stone to start freelance writing, launch a blog, create book review videos, and that's where the income can grow big. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to the link in the description, sign up, try your first review, and come back and tell me how it went.